Hello, my name is Maria Balsamo, and this is my final portfolio project with the Flatiron School. It's an app called A Good Read that uses a JavaScript frontend utilizing React.js and a Ruby on Rails backend. So, if we read through our README, it gives you some installation instructions, forking and cloning, switching to the right branch, installing everything, and basically how to use it from there. I've already done most of those things, so all I have to do is the rake start to go ahead and get it started. So I'm going to go ahead and type that into my console. And it takes a few seconds, so we're going to wait until it boots up. And here we go. It'll bring us to the home page. A good read, a place to add, review, comment on popular book choices. So this is our home screen, and if we click on books, it'll give us a list of all the books that we currently have on the website. And you can go ahead and you can add a new book, as it tells you right here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that. I already picked one. I was going to add Hunger Games. So title, just type in Hunger Games. Author is Suzanne Collins. Summary of the book. Hunger Games is a dystopian novel. If I can spell dystopian, I think that's right. Dystopian novel in which Katniss Everdeen has to save the world. Review of the book. Absolutely loved it. And that's good for now. Rating, we're going to go ahead and give it a 4. And a book image, that's why I already had this pulled up. You can pull a book image from wherever you want. I normally just pull the one from Amazon because I know that it'll probably stay for a while. So I'm going to copy that link into the book image. And then we can go ahead and we can add a book. And as you can see, it adds our book right here, tells us the title of the book and the author, which is pretty cool. So then once we click on that book, it'll bring us to the book show page and it'll give us a little bit more information. So instead of just being able to see the title and the author that we saw on the books page, we can actually see the rating that the person who created the book gave it to. We can see the summary that we wrote and the review. Now, let's say someone else who didn't create this book wants to go in and they want to add a comment. Maybe they didn't like the book, maybe they also loved it. Whatever they want to add, they can go ahead and add a comment here. As you can see, there are no comments here right now, but we can go ahead and we can add a comment here. So let's say that, what is her sister's name? Primrose. Primrose makes a comment. She says, "Thanks for saving me, sis." And as you can see, our comment pops up right here. If we go back to the books page, we can see all the books that have been added and we can check out some of them. We can look at Game of Thrones. Jamie has a comment. Took me 10 years to read. Loved every minute of it though. We can look at Harry Potter, another classic. Malfoy. I hate this kid. So as you can see, there are some characters from the books that are popping up and creating their own comments on the books that are added. This is just the beginning of this app so far. From here, I would love to be able to add some user authentication and create genres and different subgenres within here to sort books and kind of have your own library on top of being able to see books that people are adding. But this is definitely just the start of a good read app. Thanks so much for checking in.